All right, guys, here's going to be three stocks that insiders are buying right now. The first one is going to be Alibaba, and this stock has been bought lots and lots of shares by Charlie Munger, who is Warren Buffett's best friend. And as we can see, as the price of Alibaba continues to dip over the past few months, uh, Charlie Munger continues to buy more and more shares, which is very interesting to see. So he definitely thinks that right now is a really good time to buy at the $100 price point, and you should consider buying it too, as Alibaba is one of China's largest companies and is basically the Amazon of China. So it's very, very good company, and as we can see, it's down quite a bit in the past year, and it is down 3% in the past 5 years, all the way from all-time highs of around $310. So buying shares of Alibaba can prove to be a really good investment in the long run, especially with how discounted the stock price is. And Charlie Munger is doing exactly that. As you can see, he's added a large amount to his portfolio, buying 500,000 shares of this stock in 2021. So next stock is going to be Chevron, which is doing absolutely amazing. And this stock was bought by Warren Buffett himself. He bought almost 10 million shares of the stock in 2021 quarter four. Um, and it's a really good investment. It's really paid off for him when he bought it last year. As we can see, the price of Chevron has been increasing, and especially with this Russian conflict and the U.S. and European allies discussing banning Russian oil imports, the stock of Chevron has really skyrocketed, and Warren Buffett's investment in the stock really has paid off. So that's why it's soaring. So as tensions rise, we can continue to see a lot of these oil, gas, energy stocks really rise in price as well. So this is Warren Buffett's one of his top picks right now. And the next stock is going to be, of course, Activision, which has been acquired by Microsoft. And Warren Buffett picked up almost 15 million shares of this stock. And as we can see, it's been remaining pretty flat around the $80 price point. So what I recommend on this stock is to buy and hold 100 shares. It is going to cost you $8,000, but it is a dividend-paying stock, 0.58% yield, which is a nice added bonus. A lot of these growth stocks don't end up having a dividend, so it's really nice to see that Activision is paying out a dividend. And as we discussed in our last video, we're using this double dividend strategy, where we actually sell calls against our shares to receive a nice double dividend. So what we can do is do a March 25th expiration date, and when you have 100 shares of a stock, you can sell covered calls, which is a really good strategy for making premium, especially when the stock stays flat. So we can do something like a $85 strike. And you can also sell cash clear put. You're going to receive $13 of credit for opening this cash clear put. Open interest is pretty low, but yeah, if you can get like $10 of premium on this for March 25th, you're pretty much receiving double dividends, which is pretty sweet. It's nice to make money when the stock stays flat. Or you could even sell cash clear puts and try to get the stock at a lower strike price. For example, you could sell a $78 strike, receive around $30 of premium for opening that contract, and possibly get shares at $78 each. But as we can see in the past month, it's really stayed around this $80 to $81 price point. So it's been pretty flat. And when the stocks are flat like this, it's really good to sell some cash cleared puts, some covered calls, in order to make money when stocks stay flat. Because when you're selling options, that's really when you're taking advantage of theta decay, and you make money when the stock stays flat, just like this. So it looks really amazing right now. So that's about it for this video. 3 stocks that insiders are buying right now.